Hey guys, welcome back. We're outside. I wanted to show you this truck real quick before it took off. This is like a PowerStroke truck, right? But the guy was like, I want a Raptor, but I want a diesel. They don't make both, so he made one. That's pretty rare, but we see custom stuff all the time. All he really wanted was like a wide body diesel truck. He did like the bead locks. We did some paint protection actually on it. I almost forgot to say it, but we did like the full front clip, the rockers, and then he was getting a lot of paint chip damage on his new wide fenders and didn't know about paint protection film. So he waited just a little long after investing all the money in there, but we cleaned it up as best we could and wrapped the full bed for him. And then we did a ceramic coating on it. Super cool guy. He threw a little Raptor badge on there, he just wanted what he wanted. And I dig that. I think that cars are cool, that you can do whatever you want to do, express yourself, get wild with it. That's what we're here for. But I couldn't ask for a nicer customer. He brings us a lot of stuff. He has a local business here in Springfield, and he keeps us popping. So, well, we got a bunch of stuff going on inside too. It's a little warmer in there. We can go check it out real quick. Come on in. Oh, we got this open bay up front. Coming for Monday. I got some cool cars to show you, but I'm gonna keep it low key for now. You're gonna have to tune in, subscribe, and check it out. There's gonna be some popping cars next week, and I'm excited. First, we got to get this done. We're going to. I think we've got most of the car wrapped. They finally released the patterns for the rockers and the trim, and the roof, and then the rear bumper. So those are the things we have left today. So we're in on a Saturday to get this car dialed in. We're gonna get it all fine-tuned and ready to go out to the client. So we're excited. They're over there weeding some patterns, and we're gonna be working all day. You should see some clips of it. We're gonna get this car done. We're gonna have it ready for him. He's gonna be hyped, and it's gonna be a rock star day. So we're excited here at Sho-Me Tint. So make sure you tune in, check it out, see what we got going on, and check out next week. There's something very special coming. Looks like we finally got this all wrapped up. So I'm excited to get this out to the customer. And I was gonna show you, while we're doing all this, we got a bunch of guys down there. We're getting a bunch of boats ready for the spring. And I think we've got a few down there, so let's go check it out real quick. I'm down at the tent shop. I wanted to show you something. A lot of people ask me this, can I tint boats? Yeah, we do tint boats. We bit boats, tractors, anything with glass. This was one we kind of did. It has a bigger curve to it. See how long that one window is there? We can definitely tint it, We're just kind of in here going to clean this one up a little bit from something we did before. There's a video in our page about that too, like a little stripe we put on it. But we're just going to clean it up for the customer. And we've got a couple more over here. Thug Tahoe pulling a boat. This is a littler boat, less curved. Same amount of work goes into it. Most people don't like to go too dark on these because of the reflection of like a 5%. But it, like you can put your phone on your dash, not get too hot during the sun. It helps it. There's a lot of reasons to tint it. It just looks cooler in my mind. But that's 1, 2, and we got 3 boats here today. I think there's one more outside in the parking lot. Everybody's getting ready for my favorite time of the year, lake time. Oh, I can't wait. I cannot wait. This one's kind of a cool little, has a wake tower on it for wake surfing, colors popping. So, we're staying busy. We did a full window tint on it, all the way around. Tinted it last night for the customer, so you can come pick it up today. Like we work on boats all the time. So that's what we got down here at the tent shop today. We got more cars coming in, more boats going out. We're keeping it busy on the weekend, so next week is a whole brand new week, and we start the whole process all over again. So tune in and check it out. We appreciate you guys. Thank you.